about some application of probability. Okay. So, again, I can start the application of applications.
So probability is also used in medicine field also, sir. It is used to predict the diseases and how to recover from the diseases. The doctor use the probability in most of the cases. In the if they prepare the medicine, the testing the medicine and viruses will be diagnosed by the probability wise. Probability helps doctor by testing the medicine and improving the patient care. Other in the probability is also used in design making, business and economics, science and research. Probability helps people make better decisions by comparing possible outcomes and their chances. Used to predict profit, loss, demands, and market risks. The quality in quality control industries use probability to check the product quality and reduces defect. In everyday life, we use probability when designing what we are based on the weather or choosing the safer options.
There is a probability application in various fields. Okay. So next, you can some application, some application in probability.
So I would like to explain about the machine learning. We use machine about email spam detection. So we all receive emails where we can get emails in inbox or we can also get it in spam boxes. So in this thing, machine learning actually looks at the email and gives a probability of 90% of the spam or not. So this is also where we use probability, as we can get inboxes, spams and other emails. We also use probabilities in face recognition, cyber security. And we also use in many applications such as our mobile phone is also a very good example for probability, as we use many things nowadays for it.
Okay. Very good. So next,
in the sports and games, actually the probability which means of the chances.
It is a winning percentage.
Yes. Actually the probability, mostly in the sports like games, as what are the wins are the cards and the dice, which is easy. The probability which makes the players to find have a smart move and how to win the game. And it is used in the games as to arrange what is the strategy of the opposite player and the opponent, what they are going to move as smart moves. So mostly the probabilities of the games and sports are very easy to identify what is the strategy played by the opposite teammate and how to win the games. So this is where major plays a role in the games and sports.
It's also in chessboard the probability applied. So next, awareness you can some
devices we can use in traffic signals to predict the amount of traffic. In this time, many traffic will come. After that, the road will be free, and we can use in traffic signals. We can also use in batteries, smart batteries. For example, when to use sleep mode and when to correctly operate and in full power. And we can also use in traffic signals in batteries.
So next, Dinesh, you can some application in probability.
Probabilities are used in operating systems, used in CPU for resource allocation and CPU scheduling.
Okay. So there is probabilities the probabilities are in various things. There is the probability values. Moreover, there is probability values. You can apply the probability. The probability value is 0. Then the event is null. If the event is impossible events. You can solve some problem. The probability value is less between 0 and 1. Okay. The probability value is equal to 0. Then the event is an impossible event. Otherwise, the probability value is 1. The event is pure event. Definitely, the event 100% is true. The probability value is nearest to 1. Nearest to 1. So, for example, in our class, 35 mark is a pass mark. Okay, 35 mark is pass mark. That is the 35. The students get a 35 mark. Is the probability value is 1. The students get 0 mark. The probability value is 0. The students get 30 mark. The probability value is nearest to 0.9. These are the applications. So, okay, thank you.